Hi y'all, today I'm bringing you an unboxing from Remay Glide and Shave, and it's a pretty basic box. This one's came undone, but it's there. Well, after I pull them out, it's their Glide Shave Bar Gel, and there's as you can see, there's several in here. I'm going to show you. See, there's also, oops, a little card on how to use it. A thank you for your order. Let me double check and make sure, yeah, that's all that's in there. This thing is fantastic. So pull it apart. You wet this gel, and then you run it up and down your leg, or under your arms or whatever, and then you just shave. I mean, it's that simple. How awesome is that? I can't wait to see if this works or not, but we're going to give it a good old try.